Welcome to today's financial news update from quantbyte.io. Edible Garden AG Incorporated has launched an international version of its sports nutrition product, pre- and post-workout kick, in Price Smart Warehouse Clubs. The clean label product is designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking for a healthier alternative to traditional energy supplements. Live cattle futures increased by 85 cents to $2.80. The first notice day for October live cattle was reported, with no deliveries issued. Cash cattle prices were steady, with a north-to-south price difference of $3. Feeder cattle futures led the market higher on the same day. Lean hog futures saw mixed results, with front months decreasing by a small margin of 65 cents, while other contracts increased. The USDA's national base hog price rose by 67 cents to $99.39 in the latest report. The CME Lean Hog Index also declined by 86 cents, indicating some volatility in the market. Soybean contracts remained stable, closing within a narrow range of 2 cents lower. Soy meal futures declined by $1.30 to $2.30, while soy oil futures rose 21 to 36 points across the board. The morning's export inspections report revealed a significant development in global soy trade. Cotton futures declined by 10 to 16 points in front-month contracts. The US dollar index rose by $0.380 to $97.795. Meanwhile, crude oil prices rebounded further, increasing by $0.85 per barrel. The wheat market experienced losses at the start of a new period, with prices declining by 2 to 3 cents for CBT soft red wheat and 1 to 2 cents for KCHRW futures. MPLS spring wheat also saw losses, falling by 3 to 4 cents in the front-month contract. The U.S. stock market indexes showed mixed results, with the S&P 500 index rising 0.36% and the Nasdaq 100 index increasing by a larger margin of 0.78%. Conversely, the Dow Jones Industrials Index fell 0.14%. The futures markets also saw gains, with December E-mini S&P futures up 0.37%. The U.S. dollar index, DXY00, rose by 0.39% to a one-week high on Monday, driven by weakening of the euro due to French Prime Minister Le Cornu's resignation. Additionally, the yen fell against the dollar after Sanai Takaichi, a proponent of loose monetary policy, won a significant position. Crude oil and gasoline prices rose on news that OPEC Plus will increase production by less than expected. As a result, November WTI crude oil and RBOB gasoline closed up 1.33% and 2.21%, respectively. Additionally, lower Russian production contributed to the price increase. Soybean prices have declined marginally across various contracts, with a national average cash bean price decrease of 5.75 cents to $9.40 as of Friday's close. Soybeans prices decreased by fractional to penny losses. National average cash bean price dropped to $9.40 on Friday. Soy meal futures are up by 80 to 90 cents at midday. Soy oil futures have increased by 22 points. Cotton futures are experiencing declines of 11 to 15 points in mostly weaker trade. In contrast, the soon-to-expire October contract is seeing gains of 21 points. The U.S. dollar index has rebounded to $97.825, with a rise of $0.410. Crude oil prices continue their recent upward trend, increasing by $0.96 per barrel. An online auction scheduled for October 3rd has been announced. The wheat complex is experiencing mixed price movements, with the majority of contracts showing losses. CBT soft red wheat futures are down 1 to 2 cents, while KCHRW futures are trading, with minor gains of 2 to 3 cents. MPLS spring wheat futures show minimal fractional losses. Lean hog futures have declined, with nearby October contracts down 17 cents and other contracts up by 30 to 50 cents. The USDA's national base hog price decreased to $96.55, a drop of $2.19 from the previous day. The CME Lean Hog Index also fell by 86 cents in October. Live cattle futures have surged by 55 cents to $2, driven by strong demand ahead of the first notice day for October contracts. This comes on the heels of a relatively steady cash trade in the North and South regions, with prices ranging from $230 to $233 per head. The feeder cattle market is leading the rally, with significant gains recorded so far today. Zimmer Biomet Holdings, Incorporated, ZBH, has completed its acquisition of Monogram Technologies, a cutting-edge orthopedic robotics firm leveraging AI technology. This strategic move enhances Zimmer Biomet's offerings in the orthopedic robotics market. Following the completion of the deal, trading in Monogram shares ceased. Stay informed with quantbyte.io for the latest financial news.